India's economy is on a tear in 2025, and if you're an investor, this is something you simply can't ignore. I'm Arvith, and I've been tracking the numbers, the trends, and even the headlines. The story is loud and clear. India is surging ahead, rewriting the playbook for emerging markets. Now, let's talk about why. From my perspective, India's GDP growth is hitting numbers that most developed economies just dream about. Think north of 7% this year. What's driving this? In my analysis, it's not just luck. India's population is massive, but more importantly, its middle class is expanding and spending. That means more demand for consumer goods, more homes being bought, and way more mobile phones in people's pockets. But here's something that really grabbed my attention, especially as someone who's watched this space for years: the tech sector. India's IT and digital services industry is booming, not just serving the world's biggest companies, but also sparking a startup wave right at home. Unicorns are popping up left and right, and venture capital is pouring in. If you're looking at tech, take it from me, India is no longer just outsourcing. It's innovating, and fast. Manufacturing is another big story I've been following closely. The government's Make in India initiative is finally paying off. With global companies rethinking their supply chains, India is becoming a top destination for manufacturing, especially electronics and green tech. The result? More jobs, more exports, and a stronger rupee. And as Arvith, I see these trends as game changers for India's long-term economic resilience. Now, you're probably asking, what about risks? Sure, no market is perfect. India faces challenges like infrastructure bottlenecks, regulatory hurdles, and regional disparities. I always keep these in mind when analyzing the market. But here's the thing. Based on my research, the government is actually tackling these. Major infrastructure projects, new highways, ports, and smart cities are coming online. Policies are getting friendlier for foreign investors too. And look, the stock market is reflecting all this optimism. The Sensex and Nifty indices hit record highs this year, something I've been highlighting in my market updates. Foreign direct investment is climbing, and that's a trend I expect to continue. Most big banks, and I agree, are bullish on India for the next decade. So, what's my takeaway as Arvith? If you're looking for growth, resilience, and long-term opportunity, India deserves a spot on your radar. Don't just follow the headlines, dig into the data, watch the trends, and think about where you want your portfolio to be in 5 years. That's the approach I take, and it's paid off. That's my view, Arvith's take on India's economy in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.